What's happening, guys? So I've had a bit of a nightmare. Just want to share my troubles with everyone. So I was just taking my drone out for its first night flight, and only went and crashed into a tree, and then it fell. I couldn't find it for about 15 minutes, and it had fell like on the back of a wagon. So it like hit that tree and then fell on top of the wagon, and it was an absolute nightmare. Like I'm lucky I found it, to be honest. But yeah, look, I just want to show you the damage. This here, can you see? That's cracked. This leg, a minute ago, wouldn't unfold, it wouldn't move, it was stuck. But I've just, like, I took this screw out here, and this screw out here, took them out, and then was able to slide the leg off. And then I've just had to, like, re-bolt this sort of O-ring into this, and I'm hoping it works, okay. But some more damage. I lost the wing. I lost full-on snapped wing there, if you can see it. Snapped wing gone. And I've lost another wing there, if you can see that. Look at that wing. The tip of it snapped off. Oh, got it anyway. I'm so sorry. Never meant to hurt you like that. I'll look after you though, okay? I've fixed your leg already, so let's get them wings replaced and she'll be back up in no time. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna put this away. Here's the footage. Don't laugh at me horrendous pilot skills, okay? Enjoy.
Yeah, so basically what you can see here is me climbing out of the car, and I'm showing you the live feed from the display on the phone when it's connected to the controller. Yeah, I just wanted to show you what it's like setting it up and that. Here we're calibrating it, the compass, and as you can see, you rotate it 360 and then you stand it up and you rotate it again vertically, and usually it works all fine as it has here. And then we're pretty much ready to go. We've got our max altitude set and max distance, but we're not going to go anywhere near the max anyway, and we're not going to use the return to home feature, so we're just going to bring it back manually. That's what the plan was anyway. So this is us just taking off here, and I just wanted to get some nice shots of the factory that we're parked up next to, and the camera wasn't really doing it justice, so I flew over across the way to the 8 Towers pub, the local pub in my hometown, which does look nice, but again, it's just too dark. I don't know if I need to change the settings on the drone itself, or maybe it's just not a good enough camera to pick it up at night time. There's a long shot of the Runcorn Widnes Bridge and the new Mersey Gateway Bridge, and this is just the roundabout again by the 8 Towers, the local pub for local people. Here I wanted to follow this car coming off. I can't remember if I decided to drive after it. I think I did, yeah, but it was just going too fast. The drone wasn't keeping up with it. Don't think I had the sport settings on, so yeah, we just followed it down the road, and it was just a nice, easy-going flight, as you can see. You know, I just enjoy flying it. You know, it's just unfortunate what happens in a few minutes. So yeah, it probably just seems like a boring flight for you guys to watch, but if you're a drone pilot yourself, you know there's nothing better than just getting some practice hours in, just flying your drone, getting used to the controls, pushing it to its limits sometimes, you know, just enjoying the whole droning process. And it's just so unfortunate the way the events took a turn for the worst. As we turn down this road, we're heading towards the last couple of minutes of the drone's life, to be honest. So forgive me if I seem a tad emotional whilst rewatching this. This is actually the first time I've watched this back through. And I remember it clear as day. It was just it's just a bit of a sketchy thing to do. Like, you know, I was flying the drone back. Yeah, I'll just watch it. I'll shut up chatting shit. You can just watch it.
My god, check this out, right? So, you know, like I crashed my drone the other day. So I've got this thing called DJI Refresh, and they've only gone and sent me a brand new drone the very next day, haven't they? Get in the boys! Shout out DJI, sending me a brand new 4K, mini 4K drone. Gonna go outside now and fly it. Come on, dronies! Come on, drone! Fly it, drone! Yeah.